are back with another video, and right now we're about to be lighting fireworks, and we're just all sitting in the car. And so right now our dad is lighting the fireworks all the way over there because the last time they got all in our faces. Bye.
No.
Okay, so we had to pause it for a minute because we weren't ready, and we have to pause it again because, like, you guys know how you have to do it.
My pennies. Yeah, he said go ahead.
Okay, so right now we're about to do it, like, for real, and we don't want it to get that close to us.
We're back. We're back.
Just back.
Okay, so put it on me, guys.
Okay, guys, say hi, Kavi.
Hi.
Oh, firework! 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 Fireworks!
Scoot over. Too close. I can't.
Guys, this is like too close and I'm so scared. Ah! Something got on me. Guys, something got on me, guys. Something got on me. There's something got on me. That is so scary. I was like so scared,
Okay, get out
guys.
the car.
Okay, that was in this video. See you in the next video. Bye.